Let's have a review first on dividing rational numbers, and where the process is change the operation to multiplication and write the reciprocal of the divisor. For example, 10 over 27 divided by 25 over 18. It is equal to, copy the first fraction, 10 over 27, change the operation to multiplication, and write the reciprocal of the divisor. It will become 18 over 25. The easiest way to multiply this is to simplify. For example, 10 and 25. We can simplify 10 and 25 as 2 and 5 because their greatest common factor is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2 and 25 divided by 5 is 5. For 18 and 27, their GCF is 9. Therefore, 18 will become 2 and 27 will become 3. Multiply their simplest form. 2 times 2 is 4 over 3 times 5 is 15. This is the quotient of 10 over 27 and 25 over 18. This process is the same dividing rational algebraic expressions. Example number 1, 81xz cubed over 36y divided by 27x squared z squared over 12xy. First is copy the first fraction, 81xz cubed over 36y. The operation will become multiplication and write the reciprocal of the divisor. It will become 12xy over 27x squared z squared. We can simplify 12 and 36. Their greatest common factor is 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1, so it will become 1. And 36 divided by 12 is 3. It will become 3. 81 and 27 has a greatest common factor 27. So 27 will become 1 and 81 will become 3. Akin itong uunti-untiin. 3xz cubed times xy. It will become 3x squared yz cubed. 3 times 1 is 3. X times x is x squared. And then z cubed, wala na, copy na lang. Ganon din ang y. Over. Sa baba naman, 3y times 1x squared z squared is 3x squared y z squared. Pansinin na mayroon pa tayong pwedeng i-cancel out. Yun ay ang 3 and 3. Magiging 1 because their greatest common factor is 3. Next, x squared divided by x squared, cancel din, magiging 1. Ganon din ang y, cancel, magiging 1. At z cubed divided by z squared is z. Sabi ko lang doon ay z. Because 3 minus 2 is 1. So may si z, may exponent na 1. Invisible, 1. Multiply. 1 times 1 times 1 times z is z. Over. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And z over 1 is z. This is the final answer. Example number 2. 4a minus 2 over a squared minus 5a divided by 2a squared plus 9a minus 5 over a squared minus 25. Step 1. Change the operation to multiplication and write the reciprocal of the divisor. 4a minus 2 over a squared minus 5a times a squared minus 25 over 2a squared plus 9a minus 5. Since the operation now is multiplication, do the process of multiplying rational algebraic expressions. in where the first step is factor each numerators and denominators. The factored form of 4a minus 2 is 2 times 2a minus 1 by greatest common factor. The factored form of a squared minus 5a is a times a minus 5 by greatest common factor times the factored form of a squared minus 25 is the product of a plus 5 and a minus 5 by factoring difference of two squares over the factored form of 2a squared plus 9a minus 5 is a plus 5 and 2a minus 1 by factoring general trinomial where a is greater than 1. Step 2. Cancel the common polynomial factor. Para kay 2, wala siyang kapartner sa baba, so hindi natin siya makakancel. Para kay 2a minus 1, ayun. Cancel natin, magiging 1. Para naman sa a plus 5, ayun, nasa tapat lang niya. Cancel, magiging 1. And then a minus 5, ayun. Cancel din at magiging 1. Wala nang pwedeng i-cancel. Step 3, multiply the remaining expressions. 2 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 2 over a times 1 times 1 times 1 is a. This is the final answer. Example number 3. X squared minus x minus 12 over x squared minus 2x minus 8 divided by 5x squared plus 15x over x squared plus x minus 2. Change the operation to multiplication and write the divisor to its reciprocal form. X squared minus x minus 12 over x squared minus 2x minus 8 times x squared plus x minus 2 over 5x squared plus 15x. The operation now is multiplication. We can do the process of multiplying rational algebraic expression in where the first step is factor each numerators and denominators. The factored form of x squared minus x minus 12 is x minus 4 and x plus 3 by factoring general trinomial where a equals 1 over the factored form of x squared minus 2x minus 8 is x minus 4 and x plus 2 by factoring general trinomial where a equals 1 times x squared plus x minus 2. Use factoring general trinomial where a equals 1. And the factors are x plus 2, x minus 1 over. Use common monomial factoring for 5x squared plus 15x, mas kilala sa GCF. The factors are 5x and x plus 3. Na-factor out na natin lahat. Step 2, cancel the common polynomial factor. X minus 4, ito ang kapartner niya. Cancel natin, it will become 1. X plus 3, ito ang partner niya. X plus 3, cancel natin pareho, it will become 1. X plus 2, ito ang kapartner. Cancel natin, it will become 1. X minus 1, wala na siyang kapartner. Therefore, na-cancel na natin ang lahat ng common polynomial factor. Step 3, multiply the remaining expressions. 1 times 1 times 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1 over 1 times 1 times 5x times 1 is 5x. This is the final answer.